Join the mobile dentistry revolution at Waterbay. At Waterbay, we redefine dental care with our groundbreaking product, with stool and others, making dental care mobile. Our mission is to revolutionize the accessibility of dental treatment by enabling dentists to provide exceptional care beyond traditional clinic setting, allowing them to reach patients in their own comfort zone. Our vision is to transform the dental experience for both patient and practitioner through our product. By offering this innovative mobile dental equipment, we aim to access and provide unparalleled convenience without compromising quality. We strongly believe in personalized, patient-centric care and understand that comfort is paramount for ensuring overall well-being. We are not just changing the physical location of dental treatment, we are reshaping perception around dental care. Join us at Waterbay, where we are revolutionizing dentistry. Be part of our movement, pioneering patient-centric care and reshaping the future of dental healthcare. Explore Stool, our flagship innovation, and witness the difference firsthand. Together, let's prioritize accessibility, patient comfort, and excellence in dental healthcare.